Yo, have you ever set a goal only to completely fail at it a week later? Or maybe even the next day? Yeah, I've been there. And honestly, it sucks. You feel frustrated, guilty, and like maybe you're just not cut out for success. But here's the thing. It's not you. It's the system you're using. And tonight, I'm going to show you one simple shift that actually makes your goals stick. Trust me, it works. Okay, picture this. You've got a huge exam coming up or a project due in 2 days. You plan to start early, tell yourself, I got this, but somehow you end up scrolling Instagram, watching random videos, or just lying in bed thinking about all the stuff you should be doing. Sound familiar? Yeah, me too. That stress, that guilt, that feeling of being behind, it's brutal. And it doesn't just ruin your productivity, it kills motivation, makes you avoid your goals, and before you know it, weeks pass and you're right back at square one. Most people think discipline is all about willpower. That's a trap. Trying to just push harder or grind more is why your goals keep failing. And here's another one. Multitasking. Yeah, you think you're being productive juggling 5 things at once, but actually it's killing your focus and wasting mental energy. It's like trying to sprint while juggling flaming swords. It ain't sustainable. Later, I'll show the one tweak that makes all this fail-proof. And you can start tonight. Step 1. Micro goals. Psychological trick. First thing, break your big goal into tiny wins, like ridiculously tiny. Instead of saying, I'm going to study 5 chapters tonight, just pick one section and finish it. Boom, small win. Your brain loves that. That little dopamine hit motivates you to keep going. And if you pair it with something enjoyable, like listening to your favorite playlist while doing it, you'll actually look forward to getting it done. Step 2. Environment or mindset shift. Next, fix your environment. Get rid of distractions. Phone on, do not disturb. Workspace clean. No messy piles screaming at you. The thing is, your surroundings either pull you into procrastination or push you into focus. And here's a tip. Add one small visual reminder of your goal, like a sticky note on your laptop. That little nudge works wonders. Step 3. Quick habit. Routine. Tonight. Finally, start tonight. Pick one small action toward your goal and actually do it before bed. Doesn't matter if it's tiny, reading 1 page, writing 1 paragraph, solving 1 problem. The key is momentum. One win tonight leads to another tomorrow, and then another. It's how you break the cycle of failure. All right, let's recap. Step 1, micro goals for small wins. Step 2, optimize your environment. Step 3, take one tiny action tonight. That's it. Not a 10-hour grind, not a crazy discipline boot camp, just smart, simple steps you can actually follow. Start tonight. One win today snowballs into momentum tomorrow, and suddenly, your goals aren't scary anymore. They're achievable. Which goal have you been struggling with the most? Drop it in the comments. I'll read every single one. And if you want more ways to actually stick to your goals and level up your productivity, hit that subscribe button. Let's do this together. LockTheory fam. Remember, it's not about pushing harder. It's about setting yourself up to win. Most people get this backwards. They grind, they fail, they quit. You're going to start small, smart, and consistent. Tonight, let's lock in, level up, and think deeper.